frozen drain here. It's backed up, it's all frozen. Now this nozzle, it's got one stream of water that shoots out the top there, and then 3 shoot out the back, and it just de-ices and flushes out the drain. So let's give it a try and see how long it takes to thaw this drain out. There she goes. This is the other nozzle I use too. This is a spinning nozzle. It has 3 holes in it, and it shoots 3 jets straight back, so it just spins at high speed. I use hot water, and this will clean out drains that are full of grease and kind of caked on stuff, you know what I mean? But the other nozzle I use that has the jet that shoots straight out, that's better for unclogging drains and pipes and de-icing. But this is another one I use. This thing works great.